Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. With September just around the corner, you know what that means. New iPhones from Apple. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16 series. What's up, Tech Fam? The buzz is all about the iPhone 16, and boy, do we have some juicy rumors fresh from the oven. But hey, remember, take these with a pinch of salt until Apple spills the beans officially. So, word on the street is that we might see some major changes this time around. First off, there's talk about new display sizes for the iPhone 16 Pro models. Yeah, you heard that right. Bigger screens, folks. Imagine watching your favorite videos or playing games on an even larger display. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Rumor has it that the base iPhone 16 models might be getting a new button. Yeah, a button. What could this mysterious button be for? Volume control? Camera shortcut? The suspense is killing me. Now, after Apple's WWDC 2024 event, we got some concrete info on the software side of things. iOS 18 looks slick, by the way. But what does it mean for the iPhone 16? With iOS 18's powerful features, imagine the possibilities on the iPhone 16. Better performance, cool new AR experiences, and who knows, maybe some exclusive features tailored for the new hardware. So, folks, get ready to buckle up because this iPhone launch might just blow our minds. Larger displays, mysterious buttons, and iOS 18 magic. What more could we ask for? That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest tech updates and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about in the iPhone 16. Catch you next time.